AL 003721. That's going to be rejected.
If you can recite that in the record when I take the plea, one of you, it doesn't matter to me if you do it, Ms. Mitchell or Mr. Loud, but just so the record will have it. Okay. All right.
Yes,
Well, now
Judge.
on YouTube, I have paperwork on my screen on Mr. Leal's case, which is Samantha Gonzalez, correct?
Right.
Pulling up her paperwork. Can I get Samantha Gonzalez in front of the camera, please?
She is here, Judge.
Here. Ms. Gonzalez,
Yes, sir.
please swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir. I do.
Hand down. Go ahead and put your hand down. Put it down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is your name Samantha Lynn Gonzalez?
Yes, sir, it is.
Are you the same Samantha Lynn Gonzalez who is currently on probation in cause number CC 721978 for the offense of theft of property having a value between $2,500 and $30,000? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
I have on my screen right now a document that reads defendant's consent to video hearing. Basically, when you sign this document, what you did was you told me that it's okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you agree with this also, Mr. Leon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you sign this document, let me go ahead and sign it. Hold on. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me that you understand that if I revoke your probation, you understand that your right of appeal is limited to the underlying conviction. Do you understand that?
I do, sir.
The reason we are here is that there's been a motion to revoke your probation filed in your case that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation. Do you understand that?
I do, sir.
Okay, hold on. Ms. Young, what is your first initial so I can put in the record?
It is A.
A. Okay, sorry, Mr.
Yes, sir. No, you can.
There's been a motion to revoke your probation filed that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation, ma'am. I'm going to ask the prosecutor to please read the alleged violation.
We will be proceeding on violation of condition number 11E, that on or about the 25th day of July 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Samantha Lynn Gonzalez did then and there fail to verify registration and or completion of the alternative to shoplifting education program with an approved agency in violation of condition number 11E.
To that allegation, ma'am, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
True.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea, ma'am?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain, that's what Laura got for you. Besides that, has anybody promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
You're doing this plea of your own free will.
Yes, I do.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is to revoke community supervision and sentence the defendant to a $0 fine, court cost, 170 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that the understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Leal?
Yes, sir.
You agree with this, Ms. Gonzalez?
I do.
And Ms. Gonzalez, the court having heard you plead true to the motion to revoke, your probation is revoked. I follow the plea bargain and I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 170 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, the time and the money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Mr. Leal, is this the only case holding your client?
Judge, she has other cases pending, but arising out of another incidents.
So she has other cases that will hold her, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So as far as this case is concerned, ma'am, this case is over with, but you still have those other cases that are still out there that will hold you. Do you understand that?
I do.
Okay. Good luck to you, ma'am. Mr. Leal, you can be excused then. And ma'am, you can tell the deputies that we're finished with your case.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, it's Ms. Vasquez, good morning. You guys have Gary Bettis set this morning. You've got an offer on these cases. Ms. Vasquez? Good morning, Ms. Vasquez. I don't hear you, Ms. Vasquez. All right, I'll wait on that one, Judge. Sharon Thorne is ready on Stephen Lane, Judge.
Stephen Lane, okay. Let me find his paperwork. Okay, got his paperwork on my screen. Okay, Mr. Lane.
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand for me, Mr. Lane? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
So help we God. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Stephen Lane?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Stephen Lane who in this cause number 2024 CC 738-518 who's charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, it is.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
I can't hear you, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's a little hard of hearing, Your Honor.
Okay. The document I have in front of me on the screen says Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of assault, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I don't know.
Let's try that again. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Ms. Thorne,
I tried to explain it to him. Mr.
I'm
Lane,
sorry.
you're gonna plead no contest to this. You're not contesting the charges.
Oh, okay, no contest.
okay, and do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty? You understand that?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to do this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anybody promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 100 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent.
And is it satisfied or not?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
And Your
how many-
Honor, it's my understanding that my client has at least 50 days in, so he's really close to being judgment sat. We would ask for a judgment sat, but I understand the state is not asking for that.
Okay. And you understand that you're not going to get out of jail today, sir. Do you understand that?
But
Sir,
yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, sir.
do you understand you're not getting out of jail today?
Yes.
Okay. Then, and you agree to this plea bargain,
Yes.
and that you understand the plea bargain, correct, Ms. Thorne?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, then the court, sir, having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 100 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, the time and the money to run current. I am told that you have a lot of days in, and it's just a matter of a few days or so that you'll be out, but I can't tell you exactly when that'll be. Do you understand that?
10 days.
I had no idea. I just know that you have a lot of days in, and you should be pretty close to satisfying it. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
And Sharon, thank you. You can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. You know, is he saying 10 days?
I'm not saying, I just know that you have a lot of days in. I don't know how long it's going to take. All right? I'm sorry. The jail will tell you.
Who?
The jailers should be able to tell you.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay. Deputies, you can get Mr. Lane and take him back, please.
All right, Mr. Ramos, good morning, Mr. Ramos. You got both those cases filled and ready to go for a plea? All right, Judge. Leland Church has got 2 cases, Judge. First page.
Okay. And let me see what I've got on my screen. I've got a 64 case, which is a criminal trespass of habitation, which is an A. And I have a 63 case. I thought the 63 case was being TIC.
It was supposed to, Your Honor, but if you have paperwork for it, we can proceed with the 64 and the 63 case.
Let me open it up and make sure that there's not a mistake here. Okay, the 63 case is a criminal trespass. That's the paperwork that's up on that. All right. So I'm going to go back to the 64 case, which is an A. It is an A, criminal trespass of habitation. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So let me find. Hold on. Mr. Church's 64 case I have here in front of me. So the 52 case then will be TIC. Is that right? Okay.
Yes, Judge, that one's gonna be TI.
Okay, Mr. Church, can you raise your right? Where is it? Oh, I saw him on the screen. Yeah. Mr. Church, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about, okay, there you go. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
That's right. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. You can put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you.
Sir.
Okay. Are you close enough to the screens that you can see it?
Yeah, I'm close enough.
Okay.
I'm close.
Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name Leland Church?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Leland Church who in this cause number 2024 CC 736-364 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Ms.
Yes,
Mitchell,
sir.
is this an A or a B?
Your Honor, it's an A.
That's an A. Okay. So it's not on my document. It says criminal trespass of a habitation. On my
It's just
paper.
mixed up. It's supposed to be the habitat for that case number, but I could change the case number to 63 if that's easier. Instead of changing the whole cause.
Let me hold on. Let me go back 1 minute. This messes when you don't get this paperwork right at the very beginning, it just messes everything up. Hold on. The other one, the 63 case. It's also listed as a B. So let me ask, are they both Bs or is one an A?
So the case ending in 6-4 is an A.
Okay.
Would the prosecutor be in a position just to reduce it to a class B?
No. So that's an A. And then the other one that he's pleading on, which is the 53, is a B. Is that correct?
Yes, 63 is a B.
All right. So let me go back to the 64. Okay. Mr. Church, are you the same Leland Church with this cause number 2024 CC 736 let me do that again. Cause number 2024 CC 736-364, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of a habitation in that case.
Yes, sir.
Is that the class A misdemeanor? You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, for a class A misdemeanor, it's possible you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with in that case and what the possible punishment can be in that case? Sir.
I don't know, sir. I couldn't tell you.
Okay, let me do this again.
Yeah.
Your name
Yes,
is
sir.
Leland, right? And you're the same Leland Church where this cause number is charged with criminal trespass of a habitation. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Sonai, can you change the title of this to criminal trespass habitation on the top where my cursor is?
Yes, I will.
Now, this is a class A misdemeanor. That means you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Now, do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yeah.
Is that a yes?
I suppose so, or yeah.
Okay, listen, sir. If you equivocate like that, I can't take your plea. I got to have definite yes or no answers, and you have to understand this, or I cannot take your plea, and you cannot get out of jail. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right, so let me ask you again. Do you understand that you're charged with criminal trespass of a habitation? Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Do you understand that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days up to 1 year in jail and a fine up to $0 to $4,000? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have another case, and that cause number is 2024 CC 736-363. In that cause number, you're charged with criminal trespass of just the property, and that's a class B misdemeanor. You understand that other cause number, what you're charged with?
Yes, sir.
And you understand in that case, that's a class B misdemeanor. It's possible you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what the possible punishment could be in that case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. And you filed them in both cases. And when you signed these documents, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yeah.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. Again, you have filed this document in both cases.
Yes, sir.
You have signed it in both cases, and so is your
Yes.
attorney. Did your attorney go over this document with you?
Yeah.
And did he explain it to you?
Yeah.
And do you understand him?
Yes, sir.
Hold on,
Yes.
let me sign this document.
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Of San Antonio. Yeah.
United States of America. Are you a U.S.
Yeah.
citizen?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, I'm looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this document, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me that you understand that if your attorney gets plea bargains for you in these two cases, if I follow those plea bargains, you understand you will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah. He
So
told me.
then, in cause number 2024 CC 736364 to the offense of criminal trespass of a habitation, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest. No
And
contest.
the other cause number 2024 CC 738. Let me back up. And the other cause number 2024 CC 736363. And the other cause number where you charge a criminal trespass of property. How do you plead in that case? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Mr. Ramos?
Mr. Church, we talked about you pleading no contest on both cases.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I don't know what to say.
Mr. Church, we in the back, we conferred, in the other room, we conferred that you're going to plead no contest on both cases.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So
you're
how
right.
do you plead? So how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. Has anybody forced you? You understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Hold on a minute. Has anybody forced you during these pleas, sir?
No.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, nobody did.
You're doing this of your own free will.
That's right.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite them?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreements for both cases are for a $0 fine, court costs, 56 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied. Additionally, we will take into consideration cause number 2024 CC 738552 and reject 2024 AL 003721.
Okay, I'm sorry. If we can do that rejection again. 2024 AL
003721.
Okay. So that's your understanding of the plea bargain in these cases, Mr. Ramos?
Yes, sir.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Church?
Mr. Church,
Do you
Yeah.
agree to this plea bargain?
Yeah.
Okay, then the court having in cause number 2024 CC 736364, where you charge criminal trespass as a class A. In that case, the court haven't heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 56 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2024 CC 738 552 and cause number 2024 AL 003721 rejected. Okay, do you know if these are the only cases holding your client, Mr. Ramos?
Just these,
Mr. Ramos?
just these cases, Judge.
Okay. Then I'm signing this one set of paperwork. Just give me a minute. I'm doing the other set now.
Already done? No, I don't, okay, so wait.
Okay, and the other cause number, the criminal trespass of property case, and that cause number 2024 CC 736363, that cause number, the court haven't heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 56 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment satisfied. I've already typed in the other cases that are being taken into consideration. So if these are the only cases holding you, sir, you should be released sometime today. All right. Good luck to you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Take care. Thank you, Mr. Ramos.
Okay. Thank you. On. Sure. Yes, right. Yeah, you're in the. Mr. Church, right? Yes.
Ms. Vasquez, are you ready on Gary Bettis?
Hi, yes, Teresa, I fixed it. I had to transfer we call this units. This thing was not working.
Okay, got it. On Gary Bettis, are we only going on the one case?
They're TIC in the other one, I believe.
The PF case is going to be TIC, correct, Kendra? On page 2, Judge. The last two. On the,
okay.
He's got
So
two
he's
cases.
pleading
One
on
is a
the one-
PF. Yeah.
Right. I got it.
Yes.
All right, let me hold on. This is paperwork I have on my screen right now. It's going to be the 2024 CC 737-546. That's the one we're taking the plea on, right?
Yes, Judge.
And then the other one will be TIC.
I believe so.
Okay. Can I get? I do have them there. Mr. Pettis, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, put your hand down, Mr. Pettis. I'm gonna need you to speak up for me, please, in order to take this plea, okay? All right. You see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Gary Pettis?
Sir.
Are you the same Gary Pettis with this cause number 2024 CC 737-546, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
And this is property, is it not? Ms. Mitchell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. For criminal trespass of property, it's possible that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document that is entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at another document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me sign this document 1 minute. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court's Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass of property, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest?
And do you understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 65 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied. Additionally, we will take into consideration 2024 PF 14988.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Vasquez?
Yes, Judge.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Pettis?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Pettis, the court in cause number 2024 CC 737546, where you're charged with criminal trespass of property. In that case, the court accepts your plea no contest. I find you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 65 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current, judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2024 PF 14988. That means that case will be dismissed and returned for your plea in this case. Are these the only cases holding your client?
I believe so, Judge.
If these are the only cases holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
And Ms. Vasquez, you can be excused. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so then I'll need a dismissal from you, Ms. Mitchell, on that other case when you have time. Oh, you have it already on my screen? No, you have the other case. Anyway, what else is going on? Terry?
Judge, I'm still waiting for Brenda Livingston to show up for her client, Judge, on page 3, Judge. She's got Javier Lopez. She told me she was logging in. On Johnny Rodriguez, I don't know what happened on John Voten on page 4. Did I forget to write something down? Oh, he said he was coming back. So
Was that the attorney that said he was coming back?
yeah, Johnny Rodriguez said he was coming back 30-40 minutes, Judge. So we have to wait for him. We got to wait for Brenda Livingston. But Karen Corby is here for the misdemeanor bonds, Judge.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. Let me finish signing this dismissal that I have on my screen right now. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so I've signed everything on my screen, so let me look now. We're waiting on, is it Mark Castillo that was coming back or Johnny Rodriguez?
Or Johnny Rodriguez, Judge.
Okay,
And
We already
Patrick
did.
Thomas.
Okay.
Sorry, Judge.
we already did, Judy Gonzalez, no agreement on Judy Gonzalez. Okay, I'm sorry. So we're waiting on Johnny Rodriguez to come back. And what's the other one we're waiting on then?
Brenda Livingston, Judge, on page 3, Judge, on a Javier Lopez. And I
Okay.
have both attorneys of the days here, Judge.
Okay.
And
Can
pretrial should be.
we start going over the bond dockets then?
Yeah, pretrial will be here in just a moment, Judge. I just called.
Okay. Yeah, can't do anything on pretrial. All right.
Captain Reyes, 5168. Captain Reyes, 5168.
Okay, Judge Sonia is here.
Okay. Hello, Sonia.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Can I, first of all, let me get myself off of YouTube. We're still waiting on those other